Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to today's adventure. Today I'm here in Wranglers, New Jersey. We're gonna be checking out this cool abandoned building here. It's a cool abandoned house left behind in the middle of the woods. I'm not too sure what's left behind inside of that building, but I'm here by myself. We're gonna go check that out. I'm gonna tag you guys along with me so we can all see it together. And hopefully we run into some cool things, because this right here is the front right here we walking in. And the door is wide open, so hopefully we can still see some cool things inside of here. And hopefully nothing jumps out. So let's get closer here to this entrance. And I'm gonna start taking my lights and all that out the book bag so we can see better inside here. So guys, we're walking in now. This right here would have been the front. It's the basement down here. We'll be checking that out in a few. But let's check out inside of here first. See what's left behind. Walking up the main stairs here. I don't know if you guys can really hear me that clear because I got my mask on, so I ain't trying to be breathing any of this crazy stuff in. But this is crazy right here. The floor looks very dangerous. And kind of scared to step on it. But there ain't really too much in this room here. Just a couple old shelves. So we're gonna go over here. It's another room. Hopefully this floor over here can hold us up. And hopefully nothing jumps out on us. You see the old fireplace to this building here. Cool little beams up top. This is crazy. Somebody put a gotta be careful with this floor here. But somebody put a ceiling fan in this corner here. Real close to this corner. That's kind of scary there. Not a good spot for a ceiling fan. But just walking over here. This floor feels very weak. So I gotta be careful where I step at. I'm trying to show you guys the most I could. I just heard something. Light on here so I can see a little better. It's actually going down towards the basement. We'll be going there in a few. We're gonna check that out in a minute. I just wanna see what's in this upstairs first. Just like a closet here. This floor is very weak right here. So I gotta be real careful. It's the back door here. This will lead to the back. Let's go over here to this side first. I think this is the kitchen over here. This is the room that we was looking in earlier. It does got a doorway to go into here, the kitchen. Look at the old countertop here. And they left the stove behind also. This is the sink. They would have been washing dishes right here, and this would have been their view out the side. There's an upstairs too. So we're gonna go upstairs now and check that out. So I'm coming back over here. We're gonna start checking out the upstairs now. This was right here. It's like a little closet. There's a door right here that will let you to the upstairs, so I'm gonna go check that out. Hopefully it's safe to go up. step out here. This floor is very weak. It's the bathroom here. Another bathroom here. Let's go over here and see what's in this room. I'm walking slow because I don't want this floor to collapse down on us. Look, got the kid's sticker still here. I don't know if you guys can see that. And this room over here is just, the floor looks real bad. Close it here. Nothing was in there. There's actually like a little attic up there. I'm not climbing that though. That's too crazy. Just going back down these steps here. Now there's a basement that's here also. So that's what we can check out next. We just got done checking out all the other rooms. So this right here would have been going towards the basement. Hopefully these steps are safe to hold us up. So that's the basement down here. I'm trying to make sure nothing jumps out on us. So these spiders down here. I don't really see nothing down here anyway. Okay, let's go down there and show you guys anyway. So let's take all these spider webs out. Like a chest here. I don't know what the heck is in there, but I got something in there. It's like an animal was living down here or something. So this is the back of the basement. Ain't nothing but like a washer and this dust that's here. This we was looking in from the outside. We was right here in this little doorway here, so we might just take this back out. Coming out back from the front. I can get out. Oh. So we made it out of the building. And that thing was crazy. It was cool, but scary at the same time. Even though it wasn't that big, but definitely was still scary checking it out. Heard a few like noises in there. I don't know if y'all guys heard it from the video, but yeah, it was a couple little noises. I don't know how old this building is and when it closed down, but it definitely was a cool little building. And now we're gonna start heading back. See you guys on my next adventures. Definitely had a good time checking this place out. I hope you guys enjoyed it also. If you guys did, please do me a favor, smash that thumb buttons up. I'm out of here. I'm about to start making my way back home, and I'll see you guys on the next adventure. So make sure you guys hit that like button and hit that subscribe button if y'all haven't. So peace. I'm out of here, and I'll see you guys next time.